Hello, my name is Michelle from the Technology Learning Center at the Cape May County Library. Did you know that the TLC has a Cricut maker for the public to use? Today I'll be making a Halloween house from templates on the Jennifer Maker website. Give us a call and we can put a similar kit in your next curbside pickup. This project starts by using a tool to make score lines, which makes folding the paper easier. Now for the cutting. Here I'm only cutting out 2 of the 4 rooms that make up the house. When you get the kit, sort out the pieces. Set aside the roof pieces and the small black ghosts, cats, and bats. Next, find the 4 larger pieces that will be folded into shape for the building. Note that one side has the score lines. With that side facing, pre-fold all of those lines in crease. Some folds will form corners of the buildings, or tabs to hold them together, or provide supports for the roof pieces. Now, working with one building piece at a time, form the piece into a 4-sided room. Place glue on the tabs so that it will touch the inside of the room. Hold in place for a moment until the glue sets, making sure that the room is square and will sit correctly on the table. You'll need to glue the front door on too. Now, glue the roof pieces onto each room, allowing time again for the glue to set. Next, decide how you want your house to be put together. Using small tape rolls, attach the smaller rooms to the largest in any way you like. Don't forget to open the shutters on the windows. There may be some pieces left over that you didn't use. You can remove them. Now, with a fine line marker, you can add embellishments of your choice. Draw lines on the shutters. Embellish the front door with a door knocker and hinges. Draw cobwebs on the roof. You can glue the ghosts, cats, and bats where you like. Get creative. Don't forget to give us a call to get your kit. Then post a pic of your completed house to the TLC Facebook page or send us an email. We love to see your creations. Happy Halloween from the TLC.